Residents in the Mount Pleasant area of West Portland who have been marooned due to severe flooding at Matty Hole may soon be able to gain access to their communities. TVJ News understands that 3 companies have joined forces with the National Works Agency and the Jamaica Defence Force to address the problem. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
A raft captain and his colleague mirroring the Rio Grande experience at Matty Hole in the Mount Pleasant area of West Portland. It's one of the quickest ways of travel for residents of Medston and Bourbon since heavy rain flooded the roadway, making it impossible. Travel plans also include a lengthy walk through the bushes and across the water. As part of the solution, Member of Parliament for West Portland Darrell Vaz told TVJ News that engineers from the Jamaica Defence Force suggested that the water be pumped from the area. But other engineers indicated that it would take too long. So he went back to the area on Thursday with engineers from 3 companies: Tank Weld, Diving and Salvaging, and Vinci Construction. They will team up with the National Works Agency and the JDF to get rid of the water.
And the recommendation that has been come up as the quickest solution is to get a excavator, a V6 bulldozer, and take it up into the area and then cut a trench that will then drain the water out. I'm hoping that we can start that work tomorrow. The estimate of time that they have given me is about 15 hours based on the amount of water that it would take to run off. Thankfully, where the water would run off does not pose any threat to any residents or any community because it is all woodland, and that water will end up in the Rio Grande River.
In the interim, though, there are plans to get a boat to safely transport people. While the people are grateful for the assistance, one returning resident in Bourbon wants more for her community. She pointed to natural elements that positioned Bourbon as the ultimate destination for rest and relaxation. But for now, 2 basic things.
The first thing would be to have a drivable road. We suffer a lot of damage from front-end parts being damaged for the taxis that try to get here. We would like also any assistance we can have with projects that would enhance our agricultural production.
Meanwhile, at the other end of West Portland, the Plum Valley area of Charlestown to be exact, a mini stream has been flowing through the yards of some residents, forcing members of the Bird family to seek higher ground. The water appears to be coming from the hills and even from under one of the houses. So, aren't the occupants concerned about their safety?
Not really, because we're kind of used to it over the years, so we're not really affected with it.
I'm afraid sometimes when I see come break and hear the water running, I don't feel so good because I'd say I don't know what will happen later on. But through the mercy of God, it really, we just put up with it.
The water, it runs through the pit, so you cannot use the bathroom until the water is dried up. They reach up to the veranda and it dig out the side of the house. Round the back, you can't go outside because you will sink.
The water is also a major inconvenience to teachers and students at Charlestown Primary. Children are unable to access the pipes, bathroom, and canteen area.
What I think might be needed is for the drain to be widened or even use a backhoe to dig it deeper so that it has a clearer channel for the water to run through.
The principal said she contacted the Member of Parliament during the last school term and the contractor did an assessment of the area. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.